What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Kevlar82 TV, your positive pop culture channel. Today, we're doing a different setting, as you can see, as you can tell by the title, why we are here. Yep, I bought the GoPro Hero 7 Silver, but turned out it was the wrong one. Meaning, not as in I was shipped the wrong thing. I honestly made a big mistake about not knowing what the Hero 7 lacked, and as far as reliability and a couple other amenities that I did not know that it did not have. So my mistake is a lesson learned and something I can tell you guys today. So that's what today's video, as you can tell in the title, why you should not buy a Hero 7 Silver. So basically, we're going to get into it. We're going to do an unboxing of the Hero 7 Silver's replacement, which is the black, obviously. Using the GoPro right now. I'm in my office, as you can see in the background, editing a lot of footage that I have for a lot of upcoming content that this GoPro is going to be used in. So I got a lot of fire content, so stay tuned for that. But for now, today, we're going to focus on me telling you guys why I had to return the silver and buy a black. And then at the end, after we unbox the black and I teach you a little bit of a, I guess you could say, beginner's guide as far as like putting the battery in, charging it, and all this basic stuff. Then we're gonna jump into some awesome footage or whatever that I got for today, involving the 2020 KTM cruise, but the practice cruise. So don't worry, if you're watching this video, you did not miss the cruise. The cruise isn't happening until July 12th, and I hope to see you guys out there. But today I filmed the practice cruise along with the organizers. We're trying to get the cruise together and get it ready for you guys for July 12th. So stay tuned for that. I have a lot more awesome content. So let's go ahead and jump into it and get started. So here it is, Hero 7 Black. The last video I made of the Hero 7 Silver still is useful to let you guys know, because it gives you a complete rundown of every single one of these 50 plus accessories, which of course I will be keeping. Still works the same. This one just has a screen on the front. We're gonna go through why I got this one and got rid of the silver, and why I suggest you do not get the silver, especially if you're a clumsy person or somebody who wants to do exterior shots on the outside of your car. So, but first, I'm gonna go through some more accessories that came through in the mail that I ordered, or correction, my wife ordered. This is all her doing, her basically sending it back and going to Best Buy and picking this one up, because Amazon had a delay on them. So I needed one right away so I can film some more videos, which will be coming up soon for the practice cruise for the 2020 KTM cruise. I needed this right away, so she had to go pick one up instead of waiting for it to come in the mail on Monday. Practice cruise is on Sunday, so I need it for tomorrow's video. So let's go ahead and run through some basically protective film or whatever, you know, just like you would do for your cell phone protective screen. So I need that for the front and back. Got that. Some tether cables for holding everything when I do my exterior shots. I do have like this massively huge suction cup mount thing that's actually got delayed. Also, it's in the mail. It will be on Monday. So yeah, we'll have to be patient with that one. But yeah, the tethers. And then the waterproof case, I will use so that if it does drop on the ground, or I drop it or anything like that when doing exterior shots, it will protect the GoPro also. So protecting my investment. And then of course, these are my favorite ones right here, the little mini case or whatever that came with the 50 plus kit and the head mount. So let's go ahead and just jump into the unboxing. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get this thing open. So we're going to just cut to it. I'm gonna show you what it looks like, what it comes with, you know. So we're gonna go and get this bad boy open. Unlike the other one that I had got, did not come with the fancy case. It's not a big deal for me. The fancy little plastic case, the little display case isn't like worth anything. So, you know, it's just the GoPro inside is what I'm focusing on. So let's go ahead and get it open. So yeah, I edited that part out just so I'm not like filming me trying to open up the case with one hand. So you just open up the bottom and just pull it out, whatever, and then you get to see it on display. Pretty cool. Comes with obviously this one comes with instructions and everything like that. In the back, as you can see, open it up, comes with a little booklet. It's cool. If you guys don't like reading the paper one, you can obviously just look it up like I did with the GoPro Hero 7 Silver. I went and got the digital instructions, which I'm going to be doing for this one too. So that if I'm going to go, you know, I'm not going to be carrying this little booklet around when I'm out and about. So I can just use my cell phone, open this up for you guys, show you this it's very minimalistic as far as what it gives you. So you got just your charging cable and then 2 little mounts. And that's pretty much it. That's the same thing the Silver did. And then you have the actual holding case or whatever you want to call it. This basically just clips off the top. See, like that, you just squeeze the little thing and then you just push it off. But of course, I'm gonna do it with the camera off, so give me a second. All right, so after you get it off, we're gonna go ahead and start with one of the main reasons why I got this one and got rid of the Silver right away. Was nothing wrong with the Silver as far as technically what it can do. The specs of the Silver are just slightly, and I mean very slightly, not even noticeably, watered down just a little bit. You know what I mean? It's a step down. The white is, from what I hear, the worst. I have not looked up the specs on the white, but I've heard some bad things about it. But anyways, of course, the black is the top of the line, but that's not reason why. It's not because it's top of the line. It's because of this. You see what this is? This is a removable battery, and that was one of the deal breakers, but not the main deal breaker. The main deal breaker, the reason why I got rid of the Silver, is if you look at the lens, and it has, like, it's more, you know, coming out, whatever you want to call it. This actually twists off. I don't know if I can do it, but this actually twists off. You see where the line's at? This twists off. That's my deal breaker. The Silver does not twist off. The reason why I didn't want to do that is because if I drop this thing or scratch it or any type of thing damage the front, I can twist this off and replace it. With the Silver, you cannot. So that was a deal breaker. It's an insurance type of thing. You know what I mean? I want to be able to not worry about breaking it so easily. So it's so easily, like, just damaged out. You know what I mean? And another thing too was the Silver does not have a removable battery like the black does. Me and my wife actually assumed that it did, and it did not. She bought me a battery pack with 3 batteries and a charger. You know what I mean? 3 of these small batteries. And yeah, I couldn't even use it. And I was just like, oh, that's a deal breaker, whatever. So I'll show you how to get it open. It's the same as the Silver. So you can lift it right here. Just pop it. And it lifts this little thing. And then, bam, comes out. So I'm going to just do it. See, you're trying to do it with one hand. You can push it out just like that. See, doing things with one hand is a little bit more difficult. Take that thing off so you get the GoPro, the screen, and then, you know, the fake turtle. All right, so yeah, once you get it out, this is what it looks like. It's funny, I was going through some of the stuff that it comes with. This right here, I didn't even read it. Safety instructions. This thing is pretty much just safety instructions. They're not actual instructions or whatever, but yeah, like I said, everything's all digital nowadays, just like I said in the last video. This one right here comes with this little booklet thing and pretty much tells you the basics of how to take the tab off, how to push it out, all that type of stuff. I already know all this stuff. And then the memory card goes in where the battery goes in at the bottom. I'm gonna show you guys right now. There's your charging ports. You have I think type C and the other one, I forgot the name of it. But the buttons, power button on the side, you see where it says number 5, record button, and the snapshot button for taking pictures and recording, and how you mount it to your helmet. And go ahead and open the side. So you just press this little thing right here and it slides up, and then you get it open like that. Oh, sorry, I gotta pull the door. Yeah, pull the door a little bit. It opens up and bam, there's your charging ports. So yeah, yeah, you got the old one and the new Type C or whatever. So you can use 2 different types of charging cables, which is pretty cool. And of course, hooking it up to your computer to do it the easy way. I like just plugging it up and exporting things from the GoPro so that I don't have to remove the memory card and one day forget the memory card. But if you look, let's see if it opens all the way. All right, so this is where the battery goes in, and then that small little sliver right here where I'm tapping, that's where the memory card goes. And the battery, the part that says GoPro, faces like that. Well, you can see it has prongs. It's only going to fit one way, so it fits in like that. Go ahead and push it in. Close the door. Yeah, once you get it all in there, just take your charging cable, whatever, and plug it in and charge it. And then also, I'm a cheat. I have 2 extra batteries. Correction, 2, not 3. I think I mentioned 3. And then I can charge the batteries individually. But the cool thing is the fact that I now have 3 batteries, so I have 3 charging ports, whatever. So either way you want to do it, if you went and bought the battery pack, then you can just charge all 3 batteries at the same time, or you can, you know what I mean, plug it in and charge it like that. So it doesn't matter. Hey, it's smooth. I like the way it looks. Let me get out the way before I get hit. All right, so yeah, like I said in the clip before this, me and some of my peoples are going to the we're heading to Thousand Oaks for the practice cruise. It's gonna be the same meeting location as the actual cruise. So give you guys some shots to try out the black, see the difference. Like I said, the resolution is not going to be a big difference or whatever. There's a little morning dew. Ooh, bumpy. Try to give you guys some shots of the cars. This is just like the practice cruise. Some of this is practice footage, so I can get it down, you know, looking at the cars, turning my head. My main thing is, ooh, bumpy. Sorry, my main thing is not focusing on the screen, so I might have to keep the screen off, like turn the screen off so I'm not looking at my screen too much and getting paranoid that my shots aren't right. So we'll get it, man, we'll get it. But it looks good. I like the quality. All right, so for this shot, we zoomed it all the way out. So it's like wide angle, really good wide angle. Liking it, feeling it. Coming up on our right, little SI. I like those, the coupe. Yeah. The funny thing is, I kind of like that coupe better than I like the Type R's hatchback. So they should have made a Type R coupe. So in my eyes, I don't know. Yeah. I like it. It's cool.
I like the hatchback.
Yeah. that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, man. Hope you enjoyed the content. Hope it was informative and helped you guys. So when you make that decision on which GoPro to get, you gotta get the black, dude. It's better, man. The footage that you saw as far as the driving is only the beginning as far as the POV stuff that I'm gonna be doing in the future. So make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe if you're new and you haven't already, and make sure you hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all my uploads. I will be giving you guys 3 videos a week, but if I need to, I might have to pull it back to 2 videos a week, because understand that I work a full-time job and I have to be there for my wife, also trying to be a good husband as always part of life. So yes, I will give you guys as much content as I can. I can't promise to consistently give you 3 videos a week. So I hope you guys are happy with the content, man. Dude, just keep showing your support and we can keep going up, man. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers, 5,000, 10,000. We'll just keep going to the top, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So yeah, and the next couple videos are gonna be awesome. You guys, if you subscribe now, you will not regret it, because I actually have more equipment on the way to in the mail. Session come out on the way, so I can do exterior shots. Oh man, it's gonna be so awesome. And then today we actually did a practice cruise for the 2020 KDM cruise, which will be happening July 12th. And this next video that I'll be putting up for you guys will give you a slight rundown of this year's route, so you can get familiar with it a little bit before the cruise actually happens. Very organized. Me, one organizer, along with the rest of the organizing team, have been working hard day and night trying to put together a very fun and organized cruise for this year. So don't worry, we actually have team leaders. All will be explained in the video, so you guys can understand what we're doing. But that's gonna be it, dude. I'm gonna let you guys go, man, but I can't wait for the rest of the content, and I hope you guys are pumped too. So just remember, as I say at the end of all my videos, I always see the glasses half full, not half empty. Stay blessed, stay safe. It's your boy Kevin Smiley signing out. Kevin HD2 TV. Peace.